Okay, arriving with an open mind, getting yourself comfortable, I'd like you to place one hand on your heart and just get a sense of how you feel right now. Just breathe into your heart. Allow your eyes just to gently close if they're not closed already. And this helps to release some oxytocin, which is a wonderful stress reliever, and to help you connect just by placing your hand on your heart, feeling the warmth of your hand against your clothing, against your skin. And let's create a powerful intention for today's practice to be loving and kind to ourselves, to be peaceful, so that we can emanate the change we wish to see in this world and let that spread out like a ripple to the people around us. You can keep your hand there or allow your hand to relax on your lap. And just bring your attention now to your body and just get a sense of any tension, any tightness. And with each in breath, allow your body to begin to expand. And as you breathe out, let that tension go. Around your forehead, around your jaw, around your neck and shoulders, into your chest, down to your belly, all the way down your arms, to your fingers, like a wave of energy just slowly moving down your legs to your feet. And then begin to move deeper inside of you and just get a sense of how do you feel right now? Without trying to change anything, just accept what you have going on within you. Just observe. And if you're not sure how you feel, that's okay. Continue observing. And then just beginning to follow an out breath of your choosing. Just note at the end of the breath, there's a pause where you begin to notice the peace, the stillness, the calm that's available to you just before you breathe back in. Just connecting to that peaceful foundation, your awareness, your super consciousness deep within at the end of each breath. And if your mind wanders, gently bring it back to focusing on the breath and just follow it to the end. And just allow yourself to sit there in that peace, in that stillness that's always available to you with a slight shift of awareness. And if you were to go through today, accessing your superconsciousness, this peace, this stillness, more often, I wonder what you'll notice yourself experiencing differently. And just allow a surge of gratitude to flow through you with an inner smile for doing the work today to enhance your life, to evolve and to grow, not only for yourself, but for the people around you. And then come back to your surroundings. I can see how many of you are enjoying these little mini mindset meditations. Please share them with someone who you love. I would love a review on Apple Reviews or on Spotify. And also, you can find my meditations now on YouTube. The link will be in the show notes. Thank you for joining me. Have a wonderful, peaceful, and present day. And I look forward to connecting with you in the very next episode.